Certificate of Appreciation is awarded to Mr. Daniel Monti Mamanaw in grateful recognition for sharing his knowledge and expertise as our great as a guest speaker for event entitled Imagine Life with Ombudsman, a seminar about mobile syndrome, given on the 6th of December, year of our Lord 2010, Fatima IMB Health Center, Regalado Avenue, Fairview, Quezon City. Signed, Juan Paul F. Romano, BSA 480-5 President, Sudal Kabalunan, Income Center Advisor, and of course, our Dean of the College of Nursing, Eleanor Caputo. Thank you very much, Mr. Carolina. Let us all give Mr. Mon Mamanaw for our appreciation.